Using one of these is really easy to do. You can see right here, the first thing you want to do is you want to start pedaling. This will actually give it power and actually enable to turn on the screen. Once you've done that, you basically need to sign in, create an account. You can see right here, I was just doing a just pedal, basically just biking for fun. And all you need to do to create an account is you basically enter in your birthday, your name, as well as your age, and basically you're good to go. There's no verification or anything. And you can basically just go to the search bar and select the just pedal option, because you can't do any of the classes. If you do have a subscription, you need a subscription for one of these. But basically all you can do is you search for just pedal, and you can see right here, there's actually a ton of different results for how long you might want to pedal. And once you've done that, you can see there's all of these rides. If you want to bike for 2 hours, 90 minutes, 75 minutes, 20 minutes, and so on. But yeah, this is the easiest thing. Or you can do classes, but those obviously cost a subscription unless they give you the option for free for some of them, which they do. But yeah, if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. This thing's pretty chiller.